Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explaining homogeneous partial differential equations with constant coefficient. So if the function that is f of d comma d dash equal to sine mx plus ny or cos mx plus ny, so trigonometric functions, then the finding particular integral that is equal to 1 by f of d comma d dash equal to, so here I am taking sin mx plus ny or cos mx plus ny is psi of x comma y, so this is psi of x comma y. So therefore substituting here, in this case here substituting d square equal to minus m square and d dash equal to minus mn, d dash square equal to minus m square. So by substituting these values here we get the particular integral of given function. So if f of d comma d dash, so here substituting m comma n values, so that is a comma b or m comma n values. So here f of d comma d dash, that is nothing but f of m comma n is equal to 0, so that is not equal to 0. So first in this case here f of m comma n not equal to 0, then here f of d comma d dash into psi of x comma y. So this is first case. So coming to the next case, that is if f of d comma d dash is equal to 0, so then the particular integral that is equal to, here I am writing one formula, 1 by bd minus ad dash whole power n into psi of mx plus ny, that is equal to x power n by b power n into n factorial into psi of ax plus by. So by using this formula here, finding the particular integral of f of d comma d dash equal to 0, so that is f of m comma n equal to 0, then the formula is x power n by b power n into n factorial into psi of ax plus by or mx plus ny. So coming to the problems, here I am taking one problem. So first problem, d square minus 2dd dash plus d dash square into z equal to cos of x plus y, x plus 2y, cos of x plus 2y. So here given problem, that is d square minus 2dd dash plus d dash square into z equal to cos x plus 2y. So here I am writing auxiliary equation, that is m square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. So to finding the roots, that is m square minus m plus 1 equal to 0. So here m is common, m minus 1 into m minus 1 equal to 0. So therefore m equal to 1 comma 1. So the roots are real and equal. So formula for complementary function, that is f1 into y plus mx plus x into f2 of y plus mx. So here m value is 1. So our required complementary function f1 into y plus x plus x into f2 of y plus x. So coming to the particular integral, that is 1 by f of d comma d dash into psi of x comma y. So that is x comma y is nothing but here psi of ax plus by or mx plus ny. So 1 by f of d comma d dash d square minus 2dd dash plus d dash square into psi of ax plus by is here cos of x plus 2y. So here we have, here substituting d square equal to minus m square and d dash equal to minus mn, d dash square equal to minus n square. So here m equal to 1 and n equal to 2. So therefore d square equal to minus m square, that is minus 1, and d dash equal to minus mn, minus 1, minus of 1 into 2, so that is minus 2, and minus of d dash square, that d dash square equal to minus n square, so here n square value 2 square, so minus 4. So substituting these values here, d square minus 1 minus of 2 into d dash minus 2, next plus d dash square minus 4 into cos of x plus 2y. So minus 1 minus into minus plus, so minus 1 plus 4 minus 4. So that is equal to 1 by minus 1 plus 4 minus 4 into cos of x plus 2y. So here plus 4 minus 4 cancel, minus of cos x plus 2y. So this is the our particular required integral. So coming to the general solution, that is complementary function plus particular integral. So therefore our final answer, y equal to f1 into y plus x into f2 of y plus x plus here particular integral minus of cos x plus 2y. So this is the general solution of given problem. So this problem belongs to here case 1. So that is f of a comma b is not equal to 0. So next problem I am explaining case 2, that is f of a comma b equal to 0. So coming to the next problem, that is t cube minus 4d square d dash plus 4d d dash square into z equal to 4 into sine of 2x plus y. 4 into sine of 2x plus y. So here I am writing auxiliary equation. So auxiliary equation is m cube minus 4m square plus 4m equal to 0. So here I am taking m is common, m square minus 4m plus 4 equal to 0. So here m equal to 0 is 1 root. So m square minus 4m plus 4 equal to 0. So coming to the roots, m square minus 2m plus 4 equal to 0. So m into m minus 2 minus 2 into m minus 2 equal to 0. So therefore roots are here m equal to 0 comma 2 comma 2. So complementary function, that is y equal to f1 of y plus 0x plus f2 of y plus 2x plus x into f3 of y plus 2x. So therefore here y equal to f1 y plus f2 of y plus 2x plus x into f3 of y plus 2x. So coming to the particular integral. So particular integral equal to 1 by here d cube minus 4d square d dash plus 4d d dash square into 4 into sine of 2x plus y. So here this can be written as d of d square minus 4d d dash plus 4 d dash square into 4 of sine 2x plus y. So 1 by here 1 by d into 1 by, so this can be written as d square minus 4d d dash plus 4d dash square can be written as d minus 2d dash square into 4 of sine 2x plus y. So 1 by d minus 2d dash square into 4 into 1 by d of sine 2x plus y. So here 1 by d of sine 2x plus y, that is integration of sine 2x plus y. So 4 into integration of sine x, so that is minus cos x, minus cos 2x plus y by here 2x plus, again differentiation of 2x plus y, that is 2. So here 2 cancel. So 1 by d minus 2d dash square into minus of 2 cos 2x plus y. So again by using the formula, so here this is in the form of case 2. So that is 1 by, here we have the formula, that is 1 by bd minus ad dash whole power n into psi of ax plus by equal to x power n by b power n into n factorial into psi of ax plus by. So by using this formula here, because this value f of d comma d dash value is 0, so here x power n, so that is here x power n value is 2, so 2 by b power n, so here b equal to, so here I am writing the values, a equal to 2, b equal to 1 and n equal to 2, so n equal to 2, so therefore x square by 1 square into 2 factorial into minus 2 cos 2x plus y. So therefore our particular integral, that is minus x square into cos 2x plus y. So here I am using this formula. Why? Because f of a comma b equal to 0. So therefore here d square minus 4d dash plus 4d dash square. So here d square equal to minus m square, that is minus 4, and d dash equal to minus mn, that is minus 2, and d dash square equal to minus n square, that is minus 1. By substituting these values here, we get the value, that is f of d comma d dash equal to 0. So minus 4 minus into minus plus 8 minus 4. So here minus 8 plus 8 is 0. So f of a comma b value is 0. So that's why here I am writing by using this formula. So therefore our general solution, so general solution equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So y equal to f1 of y plus f2 of y plus 2x plus x into f3 of y plus 2x and minus x square of cos 2x plus y. So this is the solution of given problem. Hope you are all understood this topic. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.